Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to boost or promote an Instagram post. We will be doing this within Instagram, so we will not need to use a computer, and we will also not need to log into the Facebook Ads Manager. So let's get straight into it. As you can see here, I am on my Instagram page. I'm going to first select the post which I want to boost or promote. So I'm going to select my newest post right here. This is the post that we created when we published our SEO masterclass. So we will promote this post to an SEO audience and people that will want to buy that course. So I must say, before we do anything, for this to work, you need to have an Instagram business account and it needs to be connected to your Facebook page. But once you are done with that, we can get straight into it. So click promote on the right of your post, and then we will see three options. These three options allow you to decide where you want users to go after clicking on your promoted post. So you can take them to your profile, your website, or your direct messages so that they can message you. We are going to select the middle option, which is your website, and then we will click onto the little blue edit button. Here you can choose the specifics for what the button will say, and you can also choose the URL that the button will take users to. So I am going to paste in the URL for the SEO masterclass so that when people that view the promoted post click onto the button, they will be taken straight to the webpage for our SEO masterclass so that they can view it and also purchase it. So I will paste that in right now. And that is done. And now we can choose the text for the action button. So this is what will be written on the button that will take users to this webpage. So we have 6 different options here: learn more, shop now, watch more, contact us, book now, or sign up. I would say in my case, I would pick either learn more, shop now, or sign up, but it depends what post you are promoting. So for example, if within my promoted post, I am sending people to my direct messages so that they can message me, I would select the contact us option. However, if I am promoting a product, a more relevant action button would be shop now. And then if I was promoting a website which I wanted users to sign up to, of course, I would select sign up, but you want to select the option which is most relevant to you. So I think I will select sign up and then I will click done. Now we'll click next. Here we want to define the audience that the promoted post will be promoted to. So we have a few different options here. First of all, we have special requirements. If this promotion is for a credit, employment, or housing promotion, I can select the special requirements at the top, and it will allow me to select some more specific categories for this promotion. So if I am promoting a credit card or other financial offers, I will select credit. If I am promoting a job, a certification, or career opportunity, I will select employment. And finally, if I am promoting housing insurance or a mortgage or something similar, I can select properties. But I am not promoting any of those things, so I will not select special requirements. Below that, we have some more options. We can allow it to automatically target people based on who our followers are. So it will target people who are similar to our followers. We do not want to do that. We want it to be more specific. Then we have an option to select a previously created audience, which I called SEO. If this is your first post that you are promoting, you will not see a previously created audience, so you should just ignore that. And then finally, if you want to create your own audience, select the bottom option. So that is what I will do. So first you want to name your audience. I'm just going to name it SEO course, as I am promoting an SEO course to these people. Then you want to select some locations. This can be countries or states or counties, depending on where you are. So let's choose that right now. So you can type in any locations that you think your audience will be from. So if you are creating a promotion which will be relevant only to people in a specific location, this is where you want to add that location. Mine isn't too specific, so I'm just going to add United Kingdom and United States. And I'll add one more English speaking country, so I am going to add Canada. Click done. And now we want to select interests. These are the interests of your audience. So as I will be promoting an SEO course, I want to promote to people that are going to be interested in that course. So location is important, but what's even more important is the interests of the people that I'll be promoting to. So we have some suggested interests already just here, but you might not have them, so we are not going to be using them. First, I will type in online course. From the options here, I think that none of these are going to be very good, so I'm going to cancel that one. Now I will type in search engine optimization. There we go, I will select that one. And as you can see, it has changed the size of my audience from 300 million to 5.7 million. So in this case, that is very good. We want the audience to be quite specific, quite targeted, so that only people who might click on your ad will see it. You don't want to advertise to random people that will not be interested in your advertisement. Make sure that the number of potential people reached is not in red. You want to try and make it so that it's in green, so that you are not promoting to too many people. As mine is already in green and it's saying it's great, I'm just going to select digital marketing. And then I'll also search for Udemy. The reason that I have selected Udemy is because it is an online course platform. So people that will be interested in Udemy may also be interested in my course. So now we have 44 million potential people that this advertisement can reach. It's still in green, so I am now going to click done as I am happy with that. Finally, we want to select the age and gender of the people that we want to advertise to. I'm going to go from 17 to around 35. Depending on your advertisement and your target market, the age and gender may be different for you, so don't just copy exactly what I am selecting. And finally, male and female, I will leave it as both, but I reckon more males will be interested in an SEO course than females. So if I wanted to further define my audience, I could just select male. And in fact, I think I will do that. So I will deselect female and then I'll click done. And there we go. We have now created an audience for our advertisement. So I'll click done at the top right. And then we'll click next. And now we are going to select the budget and duration for our advertisement. This is all down to you. You can choose how much money you want to spend per day. And you can also choose how many days that your advertisement will last for. So I'm going to move my budget from £5 daily to 10. And then I will change the duration from 6 days to 10 as well. Of course, it is all down to what you select and what you want to spend. The more money you put in, the more return you are going to see from your investment, because you will be paying for more people to see your advertisement. So once you are happy with your budget and duration, click next. And finally, you want to review your promotion. You want to make sure that you are happy with everything you have done. And then once you are, click create promotion. Your promotion will now be sent in for review. And once it has been approved, your promotion will be live. So that's it. That is how you boost a post on Instagram. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you learned a lot. I will see you in the next one. Once again, thanks and goodbye.